Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma ulapun bena baka Sorkar jela ke Thmu wanrah ya ke kaiphod ke expert committee halur ke state reservation policy ha ke Dorbar ma tingka ke banwan jong ke ying Dorbar tauan ke bala terwa ban pelong na du ke katan rio tarik hadu ke arpenyo tarik rempang habakran syakilat patai ke bor hadin ke jingalang jong ke kinhun menteri ha ke katan rio tarik kelalingkan Konrad uloong baka kinhun menteri Kelaya keren halur ke kaiphod jong ke state reservation policy, bat kala terwa baya ke Dorbar mang tingka on pelong haki pedeng tayo jong rempang ubanwan. Da ka ba pensyong nongrim halur ke jing terwa ke kinhun menteri kala rairu banwan ra ya ke kaiphod jong ke expert committee ha ke Dorbar mang tingka ke banwan ulaong. Menteri Rangba ulaong baka Sorkar kala terwa ya tarik na kebenta ke Dorbar mang tingka Ladu ke katan rio tarik hadu ke arpenyo tarik rempang, bat menta kadang ap ya kajing menjur jong ulat. Ngila terwa sya ulat, bat ngidang ap ya ulat ba unkot ya ke Dorbar jong ke ying Dorbar tauan. Hadin ba ulat ula a ya kajing menjur, bat penmi ya ke hukum, ke Dorbar kan long hai gini tarik bala terwa ula benram.
In terms of the informal item, we had the discussion on the aspect of the report on the reservation policy, and we have decided that the assembly session, which again is another news which I would like to inform all of you, that we have proposed to the governor that the assembly session be started from the mid of February, exact date about February 16th if I'm not wrong, and the calendar, but February 16th, the Monday, and up to February 27th. So we have proposed to the governor. We are waiting for the governor, of course, to call the sitting of the assembly for the budget session. So once the governor approves and gives the orders, it will be formalized. But we have proposed, and based on that proposal, the cabinet has also decided that it is most appropriate that we will be placing the report of the committee during the budget session of 2026.